So, guys, here we are, December. Where did that go? So, just an update for our, let's say, for the month ahead and also the month that's been. We've had a pretty interesting month over, let's say, November. We've had an amazing month internally here with the guys and what they're trying to get out for our Christmas break moving forward, which I'm sitting here, I think we've got 3 weeks to go at the end of this week, which is unbelievable, and I don't like saying it. It scares me. The other scenario is we've had our team in AllBrand win the Business Excellence Award. So that was a Trades and Services Award, which is Australian, New Zealand bound. So that was, for me, just to see that team win, that's amazing. It's, I think, second or third time they've had the opportunity to get that there. We've had Sandgate Auto Electrics, Josh Cunningham. Gentleman has just done an amazing apprenticeship for TAFE Queensland. I think they've scenario being thousands of apprentices through there. He got into the top 3 for being an automotive. Didn't get the chocolates, but guess what? If you're in the top 3, you're winning to me. And just for that gentleman, he's coming out of his time at the end of this year. So they just say that he's been a part of that. At the end of it, it just shows the caliber of personality he is and what he's done for our company and what we've got moving forward. So those sort of people is just amazing. Personally, myself, November's probably one of the biggest months I've had externally with our kids and stuff like that. We've had opportunity where they've got formals and graduations and stepping up to high schools and all sorts of stuff. And one of our daughters has moved. She's at Ely Beach now, having a good time where we should be, but she's doing that for us. So pretty amazing to have that, seeing some growth within our family and have an opportunity to go as a father figure to all this with the 4 kids out there running around. And just to see what's happening around here at the moment and the marketplace, we need to sort of have a chat about that. There is, think about what you're doing if you're going away. That November was sort of your position to probably get in there and get it done. So if you're watching this here on the 1st or 2nd of December, get downstairs, have a look at your stuff. If it's your vehicle or caravan, make sure you're checking it because it's you're running out of time quick. But guys, I'm not going to do an end-of-year wrap-up. We'll be out there in front of your face just before Christmas. I'll sort of do a bit of a wrap-up there for you just so you know what's coming. But I just want to thank you. And for the year that we've just had, was just, for me, it's probably the quickest year in business I've ever had. We've had some huge things happen, so it's been amazing, and some new staff come on, which has been great as well. So just reach out, keep watching our socials and YouTube channels. We've got Matt in here, and he's throwing some really good gear out and some really good content to help you as well, which I think's a major thing. And it's down the bottom of this newsletter. You can click on them, and just, if you're not subscribed already, jump on those, because it's just, the more and more we're growing with this business, the more and more content we're putting out for you guys to help you grow without us being a part of what needs to be done. So just jump on there, and guess what? The specials come along through there as well. So it's always a good thing. So thanks for your time. Have a great day, and I'll be back to you and see you just before Christmas. Speak to you soon.